Okay, what we have here is a left side gas tank for a 1937 to 1939 Flathead Big Twin ULH model. The tank has been upgraded to the 41 to 46 emblem and stainless strips. It's supposed to have a decal right here. But they did that back then. Harley sold you that kit so your bike was new. That's what they did. You just changed the tank emblems, which they were smart, so you didn't have to buy another bike. Okay, it is very clean inside of tank, no rust. One small dent. Okay. No welding repairs on backside. They can see it. Petcock area is very good. Right here, that's really nice shape. Never been fooled with. Shifter gate holes have good threads right here and here. Nothing's stripped or messed up. It does have some epoxy around the rear stud right here, which assume it might have leaked a little bit. They put that on there. That wouldn't be a big thing. Knock it out of there and touch it up with a little weld. Okay. Comes with 70s style gas cap, which is nothing. But that's basically it.